Chef, what is this mixture?
This one is from coconut milk, rice flour, salt, and sugar.
Okay. So what is this dish called? Because this container, because
Khanom Krok.
oh,
Khanom Krok.
this is Khanom Krok.
Yeah, Khanom Krok.
In South India, we have something like this known as Punniyappam.
But this one is sweet. We
Okay.
can have like breakfast or it can be welcome dessert.
Oh,
We make at home and when somebody comes to visit.
so this is a home-style food, is
Yeah,
it?
home style food.
So you are putting bacon here.
Home style different and like in the palace also different.
Okay.
In home style we just have with the sugar.
Mm-hmm.
But in palace they have so many stuff with
In Thailand, they have got jaggery, right?
palm
Jaggery,
sugar.
palm sugar. And then you steam this thing. This
We
dish
just
is steamed.
apply the oil and then we just put.
So you use almost flour,
I use the rice flour.
rice flour, and then
The bottom one rice flour and glutinous rice flour.
okay.
And also tuna water. Tuna, you know tuna?
Yes.
Tuna is ปูแดงครับน้ำปูแดง
It's a lime water, you can say.
when they eat bar.
Can you give
Lime
me in
water you
detail
can say.
how much?
Yeah. I have the recipe, yeah.
I like recipe.
He won't be sharing.
This is the most important part for dough.
Because when we use the
Like egg. Otherwise you can put anything. Any kind of Indian stuff.
because when we put tuna pani, it make more crispy.
We can even put the egg.
Yeah.
ไข่นกกระทา
It would taste
Well,
lovely.
well egg. Well egg.
Can be breakfast, lunch, dinner.
And it looks like a fried boiled egg.
It looks like Punniyappam, that's what I was telling him.
This is, yes.
Because here we can make it with a Punniyappam container.
This one is from here only.
I can understand that.
Mini. Yes,
Cover for some time.
And it takes how long to steam?
Maybe 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah. We have to check and then we turn.
So how do you check whether it's done or not?
Then on top is cooked. You can check from
Okay.
like this to the now it's already cooked.
This looks lovely. Just like half done, half boiled eggs.
Yeah.